Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check leaderboards on the Matchmasters application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen and you can find different buttons. New, if you want to check the leaderboards, just click the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen and click to the first option, the leaderboards, under the friends. Click that, and you can check the global leaderboards, your country leaderboards. Actually it's Romania for me, and the teams leaderboards, and you can check the scores, the top teams and the others achievements. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.